G'day everyone, welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another one of my EV realist videos. In these videos I attempt to put a slightly more realistic perspective on the transition to EVs compared to the wildly idealistic perspective put by our governments around the world at the moment. So if you like this kind of content, it'd be great to have you as a subscriber. So in this video it's the latest in the long line of subsidies and incentives to get people into EVs because there's no market incentive to do it clearly. So there has to be massive government intervention in order to push EVs to the public which really don't want them. And this is just another brilliant example of how the true cost of something is obscured by using the phrase government funding when it's in fact taxpayer funding. So the headline reads, "Charged up, New South Wales tourism hotspots to go electric in bid to fuel EV uptake. Electric vehicle travel to be made easier with 1,500 New South Wales government-funded charging plugs in regional tourism areas." Yeah, government-funded means taxpayer-funded, just in case you weren't aware. And then this idyllic picture painted by The Guardian. Drivers will be able to eat, drink and gaze their way along electric vehicle-specific tourist drives once hundreds of destination chargers are rolled out across New South Wales. At least 1,500 destination chargers are expected to be established in tourist hotspots to boost charging infrastructure in regional towns. Wineries, restaurants, zoos and museums are amongst the businesses and council areas being offered 75% off the cost of setting up chargers. Once the chargers are rolled out, a series of EV tourist drives will be developed to promote electric travel across New South Wales. The $10 million government program coincides with electric vehicles making up 10.6% of new passenger and SUV car sales this year. Yay, fabulous. But recent research suggests these numbers would accelerate if consumer concerns about the number of chargers were alleviated. The Premier, Chris Minns, will launch the program on Friday from the mid-north coast, beyond the limit of most electric cars' battery range. Wow, that's the only thing that's true in this article so far. Providing EV charging plugs at regional destinations across our state, more EVs on the roads is an important part of the decarbonisation of our transport system and essential to meeting our net zero by 2050 target. You see, the most ludicrous thing about all this is that even if Australia were to be completely net zero, like no emissions whatsoever, wouldn't make a slightest difference to the climate. That's because Australia produces about 1.6 or 2% of global emissions. So if you reduce that down to zero, what difference does it make? Nothing. So massive cost for absolutely zero benefit. But that's what our governments want to do. They want to make gestures at taxpayers' expense, which actually do nothing. Anyway, that's just about it for this video, just a quick one. Thanks very much for watching, hope you enjoyed it. You can hit me up. If you've got any tips, you can hit me up on Instagram or by email. And I look forward to seeing you in the next one. Bye for now.